problem. Set, what is a set? Set is an unordered collection of elements without duplicate entries. So when printed, it converted into sequence. Okay, its elements will appear in arbitrary order, because there is no order for set elements. So they may come in any order. So that's why we are calling it as arbitrary order. So a set is an unordered collection of elements without duplicate entries. If duplicate entries are given, it will throw them out. So only it will keep one copy of the each element. So if you try to enter duplicate values, it will avoid them. So that is the set. So it is like that. So it is like that. Now basically, okay, now what is the problem? Okay, so task. Now let us consider our knowledge and set help. Gabrielle Williams is a botany professor at a district college. One day she asked her student Mickey compute the average of all plants with distinct heights in her greenhouse. So వాళ్ళ ప్రొఫెసర్ ఏం చెప్పారు, వాట్ దే టోల్డ్, సో స్టూడెంట్కి, సో కంప్యూట్ ద యావరేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ప్లాంట్స్ విత్ డిస్టింక్ట్ హైట్స్ ఇన్ దేర్ గ్రీన్ హౌస్. సో average into sum of distinct height by total number of distinct heights. So this in this situation sets will help us very much. So distinct heights, we are going for distinct heights, sum of distinct heights by total number of heights. Okay, so this is the thing. So actually if you take this problem, so first we have to find the sum of the distinct heights, and next total number of heights. Okay, so how you will gather distinct heights using set? If you take set, that will be take only distinct heights, that will not take only duplicate heights. So that is the good solution to take the set data structure. Next what you will do, next you will sum them. So like that you can do. Okay, so the first so first input in the input, what you will take, first line contains the total number of plants. Next line contains heights of the plants. So for example, sample input you take 10, 161, 182, 161, 161 two times I got, so it will take only one time. 154, 176, 170, 167 here. So 171 to 171 is there not? Okay, 171, 174. So any duplicates are there, it will automatically avoid. So after taking number of sample number of inputs and you take the input, after that you can do average. So for this, what is the best function? What is the best, what we have to do? We have to take the input, sorry, I wrote the code solution here. So first you have to so first let us take input we are taking. So next we are taking that input in a list. Okay, list we are taking. So next this will take a list of values and it will be storing in array. Next we are finding the result average array. Next we are printing the result. So here average, how we are doing average? First of all, whatever the list that we are getting, we are converting that into set so that duplicates are eliminated. So we are storing in new set ns. So now I am finding the sum of the new set and divided by length of the new set, and I'm returning the average. This is the simplest beautiful solution for the hacker rank problem. Okay, so this is the way we are solving the sets problem. Okay, so if you run the code, so we are getting the right output. Okay, next you can submit the code. So all test cases run properly. This is the beautiful solution for our problem. I think it is clear to all. So just we are converting the, first we are taking a list, and converting that into set, and finding the sum with sum function, and finding the number of elements, whatever non-duplicate elements, using length function, and that will give us average sum by number of sum of elements by number of elements, that will give us average, and we are returning the average. So that is the beauty of the problem. So like this the problem is gets solved. I think this is very clear to you. Okay, so very simple and easy problem. Okay, okay, okay. So like this we can do. We have successfully did this. This is the solution. So anybody want, I am just pasting this solution in. So in the chat box I am putting this solution. If you want, you can take it. So if you want, you can take, otherwise your wish. So this is the solution for our problem, finding the heights average. Okay, okay. So next problem, symmetric difference. So what is mean by symmetric difference? So so dear students, let us take symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is nothing but so here what is the problem? Let us see. Problem is so if the inputs, okay, so here you see first set we are taking 4 inputs, 2 4 5 9. Second set we are taking input 2 4 11 12. So a minus b, what is the a minus b? 5 comma 9. So b minus a, it will become 11 comma 12. What will be the output? the output will be 5, 9, 11, 12. So that output we should get. How we will get this output? Because if you apply symmetric difference operation on the two sets, then you will get this output. It is like a minus b union b minus a minus b union b minus a. So what is the symmetric difference? What is the symmetric difference formula? So it is a minus b union b minus a. That is symmetric difference. So what is a minus b? Means present in A but not in B, but not present in B. Present in A but not present in B. So that is what A minus B. B minus A means present in set B and not present in set A. That is B minus A. If you perform union of A minus B and B minus A, that is so like this we can do. So let us perform symmetric difference. So first we have to take a so x is equal to int input so a dot split. Now b is equal to, sorry, y. B is equal to, now how to find the symmetric difference. Now the input is over. Now symmetric difference, S is equal to, or we can do like this. Mhm. Minus b, union, this is union, and you can do b minus a. So like this also we can do, there is no issue. For x in print x, if you do, then it will print. Hmm. So we can do here. What is the best way? Okay, okay. A is equal to set A. That B is equal to so now we got the right output. So I used this sorted function. Here what I am doing, you please understand. So first I am taking the input, uh, input and number of elements, and I am taking the input. I am converting that whatever the input I took into integers using this set comprehension. Next, I am changing that into set. This is a list actually. Set I am converting, and again I am for the same for another set also I am doing the same. Now I am converting this into uh, again I am converting this into uh, again I am converting this into list, and again I am converting this into uh, set. After that I am performing the symmetric difference, that is A minus B union B minus A. This is nothing but A minus B union B minus A. This is what is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. This is very important, dear students. Please remember symmetric difference means this. Okay. So this is what symmetric difference. Okay. So how we are doing symmetric difference? So please understand this. This is very very important. So please have a look at it. Uh, so like this we are performing symmetric difference. Okay. So A minus B union B minus A. So after that I am sorting the set. So and after that I am printing that. So like this we cleared all the test cases. So this is the some problem in HackerRank on sets. So finding symmetric difference, easy problem. So finding the union of A minus B and B minus A, that is what is known as symmetric difference. It is like that. Okay, I think it is clear and fine for you. Okay. So is there any doubts in this?